bitch, that's fine for you. I do that 3 4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it. All that I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you choosing now here for me, I ain't got it.
Tell me if you guys have ever seen a 24-year-old that looks this young. As mama kumana lumu kisha mo ramafe trophy. Because I think tightly taking me. But sorry, I'm about to do a transformation and I'm going to a new salon and I'm gonna test something out. Am I gonna receive like a better service than other clients or not? Cause you know this suspicion sister you know as a hore ing maro ka re tsamaya ka connection to nyoko bona am tlhoka re connection, can I use it or not? So do check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Guys, what's the user level le mara le some point short le level it mamang le mamang ba bone ing or ing so shy. It's a safe space.
This video was cut short, but I'll give you guys the full story so that you understand. So as we were doing my wig lines, right, I tried taking a video. The lady asked me to stop taking a video because the salon was full. Cool. Right after I stopped taking my video, she gets a call from her boss, which tells her to leave all the clients and take all the money that I've made and go home because there's police coming and they're gonna want some payment. We begged this lady not to let us go with half heads, guys. Nearly delayed the wig line they have. So we had to go to a salon that's behind. She left all equipment there. We ran to the salon that's behind and we finished our hairstyles there. But it was the bare minimum services. It's already warning. I felt oh na ka re o nyakile tšhelete ha in full. Yep. Mara ke di salon tsa midrand re tla reng. It's really gonna let you tsenga mo morago ga video. Man lebeletse as if ka ga like I want to get an install at a salon for my birthday, simply because I wanted to see if they can do it neater than me. Or like maybe I can learn something from the salon, you know, in my business, because I can install myself. Literally, you guys have seen me install myself. So I'm glad I didn't waste my money. What I don't like, I was treating the way to that lang. So Mara, I too, and I can also do that for myself when I get home. The imitation let's go but so yeah guys, bye.
I'm now done with my eyes. Oh well, almost done because I still need to put mascara and lashes. But I tried not to do a smoky eye. I failed. Yeah, I had a smoky eye. Look. You wanna make me happy? Give me a smoky eye. This is, but it's also bright because in a little orange. Look, it counts, ne? I want this glam to be, I want it to give simple, but if you know it's not simple, you know. So I'm not doing it simple. I don't know if that makes sense. I wanted to give simple, but I don't want to make it simple. Like, you gotta get officing for real, no. You know, go officing, like, boss better go officing. But, ooh, she's nice for an office. Go officing, but, she really took time to get ready for office, you know. Because we know because it's a Wednesday and it's my birthday. They wouldn't be saying, no, chill. But because I'm an entrepreneur, I decided not to take any bookings today. Well, that's because I just wanted to do my things today, you know. I'm in a hectic week back at home. I thought I'm gonna rest, but I was up and down El Gadah, waking up at 5 just to entertain my mom, because she wakes up at 5 and then calls us and then starts to conversate, asks us to make tea, and then she like dozes off for an hour or two and then it's gonna wake up and do her thing. The thing is, you can't doze off while she's dozing off, but like, if she wakes up before you and you haven't done what she said you must do before she sleeps, then you're in shit. It wasn't so much of the resting part. I'm just glad I saw my siblings. Oh, guys, oh, my babies, they grow up so fast. Like, 1 minute you're here and your little brother is like this short. The next minute, the next time you come home, he's this tall. I swear, Shoki Mashala feel like grade 7, like I'm fit and once I always feel like I don't need lashes. And then later on I'm like, oh, I actually did need lashes. I'm gonna blow my lashes and then I'm gonna blow my savings account. Because I don't have a child. That's the best thing I've ever thought of. Thank you God for featuring me. Page me. I was supposed to go have a photo shoot at 9, but I decided to wait again. I'm not gonna rush myself on my birthday. It's my birthday after all, you know. If by the time I'm ready, there are people at the coffee shop and they're ordering and they decide to stare at me, they might as well stare. I mean, it's my birthday, so it's okay. I'm gonna use this lip gloss as blush today because I want something that's more red. I have blush in pink tones and I don't want to look pink today, you know. So this is how you multitask with your makeup products. I always layer liquid first before powder, so that's why I'm using the lip gloss. Then I'm gonna use my eyeshadow. I need to buy blush in this shade, wait. I will. Oh, ready. As you can see, I use this a lot, so I just go there like. I mix le mola nekitile lip gloss yela ya abana ya wakaja facha karmo kar. I'm those people that apply blush only to conceal it after, so don't judge me, yeah? Don't judge me. Nadoli one, oh Nadoli, oh na wenu ingelo siya me.
guess what time is it? And I'm only getting my cake now. But honestly, I can't go to dinner without cake. That's why I'm getting it right now. Get it?
They just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna know.